Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to resize in Canva. Very simple topic. Let's start. Just go on your Canva app in your mobile. Okay, now it's being loading. Now basically what you have to do, this is what you get on your screen. So basically what you have to do, you have to go on the top magnifying glass. You just click over here and scroll down and see there's an option custom size. Many of the new users do not know where to resize and they just close Canva and they don't edit. So basically you have to go to magnifying glass. Okay, drag down, you have to go to custom size. Now basically what you have to do, you can resize in any size. Suppose I want to create a visiting card and suppose it's 92 and height is 54, and see the options, there's pixel, inch, mm. So you have to select mm. Okay, now see the size is being changed. Just change it to 92. I want to make my business card in 92 mm by 54. Okay, go and see that your business card template is being created. Now what you have to do, basically you have to see this is your visiting card. Okay, now suppose if you need to add text, so what you have to do, I'm just showing you in plain blank document so that you can get easy on using Canva. Okay, see on the bottom right side there's a plus button, just click on the plus button. Okay, you will see an entire tools over here. So just select text. Okay, now text, suppose there are many of the font styles and everything. I'll just go on clicking simple plain text. Okay, see this is your text. Now just type any of the business name, world business game. This, suppose this is my company name. Okay, see it is very easy to use Canva. Just when you select any text, you will see a green mark over here. Okay, if suppose you need to drag, just click on the icon on the bottom over here. Okay, see, go on back, and suppose you need to duplicate this text, again create text. So you don't need to go to plus button, you just click, and on the bottom left side over here there's a plus button over here. Okay, suppose, see, Canva gives you very best option. It also shows you alignment. See over here, pink box, and also the center align. Okay, just double click on the text and you can write address. It's India. Okay, I'm just writing any text. And suppose if you need to create any shape, so what you have to do, go on the plus icon, click elements and click shapes. Okay, and this is shapes. Suppose I need to create a square, this is square. Okay, see, just see, I'm just making it smaller just to show you. I'm dragging it down. Okay, just then select, see, if you clearly see, there are four white lines on the top, right, left, bottom of the box. Okay, so if you drag the right side box, see, very easy, it will make it a box. Okay, see, I'm clicking on the box. Now what you have to do is, just if suppose you have to change the color, see bottom side you can see a black box, this is the color setting. Now you change the color. Okay, suppose if the box is in position and upside, so then go it downwards. Okay, this is the position. See, now suppose you need to align the text with the box. So what you have to do, click on the text India and just click on it, and then click on the box. See, two items have been selected, and it's also showing two items. Okay, Now basically what you have to do, see on the bottom side you have to just drag it. See bottom side there is a tool option, go drag, and see there's a position over here, position. So basically what you have to do, you have to align equally. See on the middle, now it's exactly middle. See top, right, center, everything is in Canva. It's very simple. Okay, see this is the basically basic thing about Canva. Now in other coming videos I'll be showing you every little thing in Canva that will make you work like a pro. Okay, thank you.